Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. This is your GK period, and as you know, in GK we have completed chapter 11. So now, today, through this video, we are going to start our chapter number 12, that is Mission Space. Okay, now, the name of the chapter is Mission Space. So now, let's begin this chapter. Students, first, we should know what is the meaning of the chapter Mission Space. So, can you tell me what is the meaning of Mission Space? इसका मतलब क्या है? Okay, so the meaning of this Mission Space, we will discuss about various space missions. Okay, students, as we know that there are different cosmonauts, astronauts, दे जस्ट गो टू स्पेस टू स्टडी. ओके, जैसे कि हमने देखा है कि बहुत सारे स्पेस क्राफ्ट हैं जो कि टाइमली स्पेस पर जाते हैं. किसके लिए? स्टडी करने के लिए. ऐसे ही हमारे बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट, इवन सम अदर पीपल्स एज वेल, they have visit to the space in which they just collected all the information from the space, जो कि स्पेस की जो प्रिडिक्शंस होती है उसको करने में हेल्प करती है. ओके, सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द वेरियस personalities, scientists, cosmonauts, astronauts, those who had paid the visit to the space at the different time. Okay, students? And remember students, there are artificial satellites are man-made objects that are sent into space. Okay, scientists use them to study the universe, forecast weather and so on. So first, what are artificial satellite? An artificial satellite is an object that people have made and launched into orbit using rockets. Okay, so now let's see this picture. Okay, this is the first artificial satellite to go around the earth was Russian satellite Sputnik 1. Okay, it was launched in October 1957. I have told you what are artificial satellite. An artificial satellite is an object that people have made and launched into orbit using rockets. Okay, so now next is you can see this picture. He is Eugene Cernan. Okay, what is the name of this person? Eugene Cernan. He was born March 14, 1934. He was an American astronaut. Okay, naval aviator, electrical engineer, aeronautical engineer and fighter pilot. Okay, during the Apollo 17 mission, Cernan became the 11th person to walk on the moon as he re-entered the Apollo lunar module after Harrison Smith on their third and final lunar excursion. He is the last person to walk on the moon as of 2021. Okay, now next is he is Yuri Gagarin. Okay, so on 12 April 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human being to go into space. The first woman to travel to space was Valentina Tereshkova, another Russian cosmonaut, on 16 June 1963. Okay, now who is she? She is Valentina Tereshkova. She was born 6 March 1937 and Valentina Tereshkova is a member of the Russian State Duma, engineer and former cosmonaut. Okay, she is the first and youngest woman to have flown in space with a solo mission on the Vostok 6 on 16 June 1963. Okay. The first woman to travel space was Valentina Tereshkova, another Russian cosmonaut on 16 June 1963. Okay. Now next is he is American astronaut. Okay. Neil Armstrong. He was born 5 August 1930. Okay. Neil was an American astronaut and aeronautical engineer and the first person to walk on the moon. He was also a naval aviator, test pilot and university professor. Okay. So remember, on 20 July 1969, Neil Armstrong, an American astronaut, became the first person to step on the moon. He traveled in the spacecraft Apollo 11 along with astronauts Michael Collins and Edwin Eugene Buzz Aldrin. Okay, Armstrong described the first step on the moon as one giant leap for mankind. Okay, so in this video, that's all, and thank you and have a nice day.